This bird fell into a dustbin and despite trying hard, couldn't get out. It became weak and sick. When the boy saw this, he took the bird to a doctor for treatment. The doctor treated the bird carefully and advised giving it proper food. Following the doctor's advice, the boy started feeding the bird regularly. After 30 days, the bird gave birth to several babies. Seeing the baby birds made the boy very happy and he started playing with them. Now the birds have become part of his family. Even if they are released, they don't want to go anywhere and always come back to him. Like and subscribe for this bird.